So your course is open and you're ready to start getting inside as the teacher and as the editor and really making it your own. This video will help introduce you to this main page of your course and what some of the icons that you're going to notice right away are. So here is my main page. I'm in the Moodle course support group, and this is what my students would see if I had students in this course. This is what I see until I decide to turn the editing on, until I decide to get in there and edit. Now there's two ways that you can start editing your course. Over here there's a block, it's called administration, and there's a button that says turn editing on. If you don't have a block, it might look like this. It might be docked on the sides. You just hover and there's the turn editing on button. Either way works. Or over here, the turn editing on button at the top of your screen, and you see all these icons pop up. This is where you can start to make some of those changes. The first thing you're going to notice is that there are a series of topics. They're each in their own little box. So each one has a section. Here's one at the bottom. It's called images. Maybe I don't want it there. I can pick this up and I can put it right in between. It just moves the sections around. So you can maybe change the order that the units show up for your students. This gear lets you open up whatever is there and actually make the changes. Maybe I don't want to call this images. Maybe I want to call it images and videos. I'm going to save those changes and it'll show up right away on my main screen, images and videos. These are activities and resources. We're going to get into that later on in the videos, but you can also move these up and down, so you can switch the order of these two, or you can take this one and bring it all the way down here. On the other side of the text boxes, this little light bulb highlights it. So maybe you want everyone in your course to know, hey, this week we're working on this topic. So you're going to highlight the one that you think is important. The eyeball allows you to hide the topic from view. So I'm not done with this. I am working on it. I want to add some more things. I don't want the students to be able to access it, so I click on the eyeball. So now it's hidden from their view, but I can still access it whenever I want. When you have activities and resources added in, you can edit them as well. So this will move the resource like I mentioned. You can edit the title. You click on the pencil and you can change this to how to delete an image to how to add an image. This button over here lets you move the whole thing to the right. Maybe you want to start creating separation. Maybe you want this one to be part of something. So it's just a way to visually separate it. You don't like it? Move it back. You can delete it. If you don't want it anymore, you can get rid of it. That's about it for the main page, the things that you can do once you're on that main page. In the next few videos, we'll go through how you can actually get in there and add in some videos, how you can modify some of these items.